Hi, we are Fiso and Zafia. I don't usually do testimonials, but I thought the quality and the professionalism of the workshop kind of warranted me to say something.
Something positive about it?
I have a little bit of experience in the Tantra world and I've done a workshop already, but it was really good to get another viewpoint on Tantra and its
Connections to sexuality, maybe?
And while I did feel like the workshop was geared towards women more so than men, I did get a little bit out of it.
Really? Oh, how come female? Maybe because it was a female
Talking about
presenter.
female orgasms. They didn't talk about any male orgasms.
Without giving too much away, as I feel like this workshop can be beneficial to anybody out there, especially in this oppressed sexual world we live in. Elisa spoke a lot to the theory behind Tantra and its connection to self. I was very impressed with the quality of the workshop and I guess the way technology was used to put across Elisa's charisma and professionalism. She has a charm to her that makes her a pleasure to listen to.
Okay, so my turn and then your turn again?
Yeah.
Over to you, baby.
Okay. It's still recording? Okay, so through workshop we both attended with my partner. I kind of understood how until now I tend to overlook the whole idea of sexuality. I didn't even thought about it that much. Sex is just what you do rather than speak about. So having listened to Elisa and her charismatic and open personality,
Once again.
workshop gave me a little bit of a prompt and encouragement to start thinking about exploring my own sexuality, gave me the encouragement to talk about it with my partner. The workshop also gave me the understanding and appreciation of how putting time and effort into understanding your sexuality can eventually improve your overall well-being and happiness as an individual, but also in a couple. So what I loved about the workshop is, I guess, the facilitator, so Elisa. It was quite impressive to see how a bunch of strangers, after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, could all of a sudden talk about sex and their desires and needs. We would strongly encourage absolutely everyone to attend this workshop.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me.
Yeah, okay, that's it.
I'd love to just shout it out there. Thank you, Elisa, for enlightening us a little bit on the Tantra world and the little sliver of it being sexuality.